Today I am going to share one important thing, that is what is easy apply when it comes to applying for a job on LinkedIn. So easy apply is nothing but it will ease your like work or say typing process when you apply for a job. So it's like when you go for easy apply, so it will take like your details automatically from LinkedIn, just like your Gmail ID, your contact number and everything. So you need not to type it for every blank or for every options that they are asking for. You can easily they'll access your data from LinkedIn itself. So not all company go for this option of easy apply, just like when you check Flipkart or say Amazon or say Myntra's vacancies, there will be a lot of vacancies where you need to visit their website and where you need to like type everything and go for it. So yeah, just wanted to talk about this. Stay tuned. Bye bye.